Many people stay away from Christ kasi di nila nakikita yung need nila of Christ or they refuse to admit na meron silang sakit. Sabi ni Jesus, it is not the healthy who need a doctor but the sick. I have not come to call the righteous but sinners. Hindi sinasabi ni Jesus na some people are actually righteous and therefore hindi na nila kailangan ng salvation. Sinabi ni Jesus, some people think that they are righteous na hindi kailangan ng salvation. And as long a person believes na he is spiritually healthy, he will never run to Christ. Hindi siya tatakbo sa great physician. As long as people insist, well, I'm fine, mabait naman ako, no? Hindi ko kailangan ng salvation, hindi nila makikita yung need nila of Christ. And dito sa ating mundo ngayon na postmodern, na relativistic, na self-centered, social media culture, itong katotohanan na ito, mahirap siyang lunukin. Kasi we don't mind hearing na tayo ay imperfect. We don't mind hearing na nagkakaroon tayo ng mistakes. But Scripture says something na mas serious, na lahat tayo stands guilty before a holy God and therefore we are under His righteous wrath. And dito nag-umpisa si Pablo. Hindi siya nag-umpisa sa presentation niya ng gospel na ito yung 5 steps to your best life ngayon. It begins with the wrath of God.